Okay, so I already have the PDF opened up in DocHub. And so we're going to go to this website here. And then I'll go back to the homepage. So when you come here, they just have, different goals. This really doesn't matter what you choose, because you're just comparing 3 different credit cards. There's also ones down here. So, just pick kind of what you want to look at, or maybe pick 3 different types. And so then the name would be Wells Fargo Platinum Card. So it'd come back here and type that in there. And then the next thing is it's asking you several different questions about APR. So they have some just kind of general information in here. If I do show more, I'll probably get more of those specific things that I want to see. Also clicking on rates and fees. So if we just look at the first one was just APR for purchases. So for this particular card that I picked, my APR for the first 18 months is going to be 0%. And then I see a regular APR. It's just going to vary on how your credit score is. So I would go back here, purchases, say 0% for 18 months. Cash advances. I'll click on rates and fees and just see if it does tell me any additional information. So it does right here, cash advances. For fees, 5% of the amount. Then you'll just go through the same types. Then it has types of interest, 3 different types, kind of same thing. So if we're looking for fixed, variable, or tiered, so for this, I would say this card is 15.49 to 24.99. And it's, for the most part, going to be fixed. It might change based on what the economy is doing. But for the most part, it's going to be the same amount. So then for variable or tiered, I would say NA, because that's not how this card is set up. And so kind of just the same thing. You're just looking at these main headings and then telling me my carryover balance, payoff each month. These are going to be days. If they have any of these fees, some of them they won't have those fees, which would be a good thing to look for. And then looking at cash advances. So hopefully that helps. So when I get this first one all completed, I would just go back to the main Bankrate page and go and choose, either another type of goal or one of the credit cards they have down here.